Okay. Mehrunisa. Okay. Amna Yasin. Amna, you can hear me?
Yes, teacher.
Beta, open page number 33. You have to put correct degrees of adjectives in sentence number 5. Sorry, students, there was an interruption due to load shedding. So I think 2 students have left the class. Okay, Amna.
Yes.
Beta, read number 5. Okay, Fatma
So
Aslam.
what is the
Okay, stop. Fatma Aslam, beta, you read number 5.
After a trip, I feel I am the dash boy on earth, luckiest boy.
Yes, luckiest boy on earth. Yes. Now open page number 34, order of adjectives. They have given you a specific order. If you are given a list of adjectives of any object, any subject, means any person, any place or anything, you have to give them in order when you make a sentence. Okay, they have given you an order. You can see a chart. Number 1, if they given you 7 qualities or 7 adjectives of any noun, you can order them like this. First, at first position, you will write its value, or if it has any opinion, you will write it first, then its size, then age or temperature, then shape, then color, origin, and at the last you will write its material. So they have given you the adjectives of adjectives of any noun in the brackets. You have to order them according to the above chart. Okay, now first one is we saw. In the bracket they gave gray, huge, blank, while in the sea. How will you order them? Yes, Zuhaib.
Yes.
Beta,
क्या कर रहे हो आप?
now we are doing adjectives according to their order. Okay, if they give you a list of different qualities of any noun, how you will order them? They have given you the chart and they have given you 7 types of their qualities. How will you number them? At first you will write its value or opinion, then you will write its size, then age or temperature, then shape or color, number 6 origin, and last one you have to write its material. So according to that chart, you have to arrange the below adjectives of the given noun. We saw gray, huge, a whale in the sea. How will you order them? Gray, huge, a.
We saw a huge grey whale.
We saw a huge.
Huge grey whale.
Yes, we saw a huge gray whale in the sea. Very good. Number 2. Yes, read Fatma. Second one.
Barber uses the medium blue rubber ball ball practice.
Barber uses the first one is
Medium blue rubber.
yes. Barber uses the medium blue rubber ball for basketball practice. Very good. Medium, blue, and rubber. Now, Javeria, read third one.
Maureen bought dash bars to the birthday party.
Okay.
A few triangular dark chocolate.
A few triangular dark and chocolate. Yes, Marine brought a few triangular dark chocolate bars to the birthday party. Good. Okay. Amna, can you order the adjectives? Fourth one. Okay, Zohaib, you do number 4.
The pyramids of Egypt are made out of uh, enormous rectangular rock
Okay. The
bowls.
ठीक है. The pyramids of Egypt are made out of enormous rectangular rock boulders. Okay, good. Number 5, Fatma Aslam.
Shahid can eat 5 thin crust square pizza slices.
5 thin crust square. Okay. Shahid can eat 5 thin crust square pizza slices. Good. Now next one is adjective phrases. As you know, adjective is the quality or quantity of any noun. When we add some more words with that adjectives, it becomes an adjective phrase. Okay. They have given you 2 different sentences. First sentence is the black umbrella is mine. The word black is a single adjective. Okay. When we write the umbrella with a broken handle is mine, the group of words with broken handle, like with a broken handle, these words are called adjective phrase. Okay. Now you have to underline on next page. On next page, you have to underline adjective phrases. Read, Fatma Aslam, read first one and underline adjective phrase.
He bore a banner with a strange device.
Hmm.
With a strange device is adjective.
With a strange device. With a strange device is an adjective phrase. Okay. Okay, Zuhaib, read next one.
The principal of this school is on leave.
Hmm.
The principal of this school.
Yes, the principal of this school is adjective phrase. Javeria, read third one.
The decision of the judges is final.
Hmm.
Is final is an adjective phrase,
Sorry.
or the decision of the judges.
Yes, decision of the judges is adjective phrase. Okay, Mehrunisa, read number 4.
The tops of the mountains were covered with snow. Covered with snow is adjective phrase.
Which one?
Covered with snow.
Okay, covered with snow. It is adjective phrase. But don't you think there is another or adjective phrase?
Top of the mountains.
Yes, top of the mountains is also another adjective phrase. Okay, last one, Zuhaib.
The runner in the rear did not qualify. Runner in the rear.
Okay, runner in the rear. ठीक है, good. Now next is future indefinite tense. If you remember its rules, you can easily solve it. Okay, you have to put will or be going to in these sentences. Now read one by one and fill in these blanks. Okay, Amna, you read first one.
We don't have anywhere. I know I dash get some from the shop.
Hmm.
Um, I know I will get some.
Yes, I will get some. Good. I will get some. Okay, Zuhair, read next one.
We don't have any bread. Really? I will get some from the shop then.
I will get some from the shop then. Good. Fatma Aslam, next one.
Why do you need to borrow my suitcase? I dash visit my mother in Multan next month. I will be going to visit.
You have to use only will or be going to.
I will visit my mother in Multan next month.
Yes, I will visit my mother. Okay. Javeria.
I'm really cold. I dash turn the heater on. I will turn the heater on.
Yes, I will turn the heater on. I will turn the heater on. Yes. Merunisa, next one.
Are you going to Shay's wedding tonight? Yes. Are you going to? I will give you a lift.
I will give you a lift. Good. Last, Amna. Second last.
Are you busy today with would you like to have coffee? Sorry, I will go to the library. I have been planning to study all day.
Good. I will go to the library. Okay, Zuhaib, last one.
Why are you crying? Why are you carrying a hammer? I be going to put up some pictures.
I
Be going to.
be going to होगा. अब बी की जगह
I will.
नहीं बेटा, आपने बी की जगह अब सेंटेंस के अकॉर्डिंग कोई हेल्पिंग वर्ब यूज करना ना, विल तो नहीं आएगा. बी की जगह आप क्या करेंगे?
Am.
I am going to put some.
Pictures.
Okay. Okay, we had completed. Okay, we have completed our unit number 3 along with its exercise. If you have any problem, you can ask me right now. If not, I'm going to start next unit. No issue?
No.
No.
Okay. Now our unit number 4 is first aid. First aid means ibtadai tibbi imdad. First aid means ibtadai tibbi imdad. Understand students, first aid means ibtadai tibbi imdad. Meaning लिख रहे हैं ना आप लोग?
Yes.
Okay. Fatma, read first paragraph.
We all need help at times in our lives. Sometimes we may have accidents and we may get hurt. When we are injured or suddenly become unwell, we need someone to help us, someone who knows that what to do. It is the temporary and immediate help. This timely assistance comprehensing simple medical techniques is most critical to the victims as and is often life-saving. Any lay person can be trained to administer first aid. The first aid can be carried out using minimal equipment. First aid knowledge range from taking care of cuts to dealing with an unconscious victim.
Okay. First, write its meanings. Times. At times means kabhi kabar. At times, kabhi kabar. Sometimes, baz auqat. Sometimes, baz auqat. Okay. Unwell. Unwell, बीमार होना. Unwell means बीमार होना. Okay. Temporary, arzi. Temporary means arzi. Immediate, faury. Immediate, faury. Timely, bar waqt. Timely means bar waqt. Assistance, madad. Assistance, madad. Comprising, मुश्तमिल होना. Comprising, मुश्तमिल होना. Medical, तिब्बी. Medical, तिब्बी. Techniques, महारतों. Techniques means महारतों. Most, निहायत. Most means निहायत. Critical, ज़रूरी. Critical, ज़रूरी. Victims. Victims means मुतासिरीन. मुतासिरीन. Lay person, आम शख्स. Lay person, आम शख्स. Administer, फराहम करना. Administer, फराहम करना. Minimal, कम से कम. Minimal, कम से कम. Equipment, आलात. Equipment, आलात. Knowledge, ilm. Cuts, जख्मों. Dealing with, से पेश आना. Dealing with, से पेश आना. Unconscious, बेहोश. अब यहाँ ऊपर मैंने विक्टिम्स का लिखाया मुतासरीन, लेकिन यहाँ अनकॉन्शियस विक्टिम जो है यहाँ पर जख्मी की बात हो रही है. ठीक है, आप लोग इसका लिखेंगे जख्मी. क्लियर? Okay, now listen to me carefully. We all need help at times in our lives. हम सबको कभी कभार अपनी जिंदगियों में मदद की ज़रूरत होती है, या कभी कभार हम सबको अपनी जिंदगियों में मदद की ज़रूरत होती है. Sometimes, बाज़ औक़ात, we may have accidents, हमें हादसात पेश आ सकते हैं. And we may get hurt, और हम जख्मी हो सकते हैं. बाज़ औक़ात हमें हादसात पेश आ सकते हैं और हम जख्मी हो सकते हैं. When we are injured, जब हम जख्मी हों और suddenly become unwell, और अचानक बीमार पड़ जाएं, we need someone to help us. तो हमें किसी शख्स की ज़रूरत होती है कि हमारी मदद करे. We need someone to help us. तो हमें किसी शख्स की ज़रूरत होती है कि हमारी मदद करे, या हमें किसी शख्स के मदद की ज़रूरत होती है. ठीक है. Someone who knows what to do. कोई ऐसा शख्स. Someone means कोई ऐसा शख्स. Who knows what to do, जो जानता हो कि क्या करना है. कोई ऐसा शख्स वो जानता हो, जो जानता हो कि क्या करना है. It is the temporary and immediate help. ये एक आर्जी और फौरी मदद है. ये एक आर्जी और फौरी मदद है. This timely assistance, یہ بر وقت مدد comprising مشتمل ہوتی ہے simple medical techniques سادہ طبی مہارتوں پر is most critical to the victim جو کہ متاثرین کے لیے نہایت ضروری ہے. Now I am going to arrange this sentence. یہ بر وقت مدد جو کہ سادہ طبی مہارتوں پر مشتمل ہوتی ہے متاثرین کے لیے نہایت ضروری ہے and is often life saving اور اکثر زندگی بچانے والی ہوتی ہے. Any lay person کوئی بھی عام شخص یا کسی بھی عام شخص کو can be trained to administer first aid کسی بھی عام شخص کو ابتدائی طبی امداد فراہم کرنے کی تربیت دی جا سکتی ہے. کسی بھی عام شخص کو ابتدائی طبی امداد فراہم کرنے کی تربیت دی جا سکتی ہے. This first aid can be carried out using minimal equipment. یہ ابتدائی طبی امداد کم سے کم آلات استعمال کر کے دی جا سکتی ہے. یہ ابتدائی طبی امداد کم سے کم آلات استعمال کر کے دی جا سکتی ہے. First aid knowledge ranges from taking care of cuts to dealing with an unconscious victim. ابتدائی طبی امداد کا علم کا علم زخموں کی دیکھ بھال سے لے کر ایک بے ہوش زخمی سے پیش آنے تک کا علم ہے. I repeat this again. ابتدائی طبی امداد زخموں کی دیکھ بھال ٹیکنگ کیئر دیکھ بھال زخموں کی دیکھ بھال سے لے کر ایک بے ہوش زخمی سے پیش آنے تک کا علم ہے. Okay students. Beta, if you have any problem you can ask me. Zuhair?
No problem.
Okay. Amna?
ٹیچر یہ وکٹم لاسٹ والے کا میننگ رہ گیا باقی ہو گیا.
زخمی زخمی کی بات کریں گے. ٹھیک ہے زخمی لکھنا ہے اس کا میننگ. اوکے زہیب.
No problem.
اوکے جویریہ.
No teacher.
اوکے کٹس اینڈ اسکریپس. کٹس زخم اور خراشیں. زخم اور خراشیں. اوکے جویریہ ریڈ سیکنڈ پیراگراف.
Handling minor accidents at home or on the road develops a sense of crisis management. This may prepare people to tackle with unexpected emergencies with great confidence. Minor cuts and scrapes usually do not need to go to the emergency room, yet proper care is essential to avoid infection or other complications. Following guidelines can help you to handle crisis and take care of all.
Okay. Handling means nimatna. Handling, nimatna. Minor, mamuli. Minor means mamuli. Okay. Crisis management, ہنگامی صورتحال سے نمٹنا. Crisis management means ہنگامی صورتحال سے نمٹنا. ٹیکل کا مطلب بھی نمٹنا ہی ہوتا ہے. ٹھیک ہے یہاں پہ بہت سارے ڈفرینٹ ورڈز ایسے ہیں جن کا میننگ سیم بن رہا ہوگا اور بعض اوقات ایسا بھی ہوگا کہ کچھ ورڈز کا کہیں پہ کچھ میننگ ہے ورڈ سیم ہے بٹ میننگ اکارڈنگ ٹو سینٹینس ہوگا. ٹھیک ہے جیسے اوپر میں نے وکٹمس کا متاثرین لکھوایا اور نیچے زخمی لکھوایا. ٹھیک ہے اسی طرح ٹیکل کا مطلب بھی ہوتا ہے نمٹنا. ہینڈل کا مطلب بھی ہوگا نمٹنا اور کرائسس مینجمنٹ بھی ہوگا ہنگامی صورتحال سے نمٹنا. ٹھیک. ان ایکسپیکٹڈ مینس غیر متوقع. غیر متوقع